2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.